Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to MSha. Today we are creating another type of chart, that is bullet chart. In this chart we will also add the functionality of threshold. So let's begin. First of all, we have to add a new canvas page by using the add canvas page option. Here it is. After creating a canvas page, we have to insert our targeted chart by clicking onto the insert button. After inserting a chart, we have to check the data source of our chart. Here planned event sample is selected by default, but we have to create by using another data model, that is simple run chart. So I can change my data source by selecting this and then click OK. Here it is. Now our data source model has been changed. After this, I have to select the type of the chart, which is bullet chart. For the measure or account, we have to select the gross margin, and then we will select the location for our dimension. I select the location and then get back to the configuration. After selecting the location, I have to show the gross margin as a color dimension. Now I select the gross margin again for our color dimension. As you are seeing that all the location is displaying with the particular threshold, and you will be curious that where is the threshold has been showing by default. Let's change its range by clicking on the threshold button and then select the added range. We can change the range of this threshold by ourselves very easily. If I want to change the warning message from 8 million to less than 10 million, and if I want to change the threshold from 0 to 8 for our critical region, now I change the warning and the critical threshold, which will be displayed accordingly. If our value of gross margin is greater than the 10 million, the status of that threshold will be OK and green. If our gross margin is between the 8 million to 10 million, it will show as a warning, and if it's below the 8 million, the system or the chart will show the red, that is critical. So we have created our bullet chart. In this bullet chart, the location, as you are seeing, the location is displaying with the respected values. And if we want to hide anything from this chart, we can go to the more option and then go to the show hide option. Here we can hide the chart title, we can hide the subtitle, or we can hide the threshold legend. As I click on the threshold legend, the threshold legend is now hidden. If I again select the threshold legend, it is now displaying. So hope you learn how to create the bullet chart and with the functionality of threshold. And if you like this video, do click on the like button, and to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Let's meet into another new video. Till then, bye bye.